We're back at camp now. It's a good trip. I enjoyed it. Would I do it again?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, we would. I'd probably
Go the way we just came.
yeah, coming back was a little easier. We where we saw the what's it called? The stretcher. There was a track that went all the way around the mountain, saved us going all the way down to the gully. But in saying that, going down the gully was pretty much most of the fun. Me and Ann, we already knew what was down there. Unfortunately, the group left us before the good part got there. So look, I hope I can put this together for you nice, so you can experience it from home. Last time on Hidden Canyon.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
Camera's soaked, but we've explored nearly every way in except for the bottom end. But if we do go in the bottom end somehow, which is down that way, we'll probably only get to about here because it starts to waterfall all the way up. So I think that's for another day. I'm soaked.
Soaked too.
Camera's soaked.
I'm soaked.
Fire, food. Morning everyone, about to start the walk. I think it's a little bit after 9:30, somewhere closer to 10 o'clock. Heading down the track now. Got the group with us. Got Anne, Ben, Scylla and Crystal. And yes, we're gonna do this. So that's the destination. Beautiful day for it. Okay, so we're here. We're ready to go down. We're going to go straight down here, around that rock over there, and then down into the valley and around this big cliff face here. Let's do it. This is going to be awesome, eh? It's getting very moist in there, so yeah. Then we just got to walk around that big cliff. Once we're around that big cliff, we should be fine. We're getting in there. Almost at the bottom of the abseiling cliff. I reckon that's a good 100 foot there. Straight down. That's the way, Crystal.
It's drawing that.
As you can see, no one's been down here for quite a long time. I'd say this is the forgotten gully. So high I can't even see ya.
It'd have to be the freshwater crayfish, and that's for sure.
Yeah.
Like down Barlow.
We done the trip. Okay, just go to the water. I have to take a big.
It's a well-worn log. We must be on the right track. Can't even see. Okay, we've made it around the mountain. We're in the gully. Now we're just going to be trekking back up along the water. Check out these waterfalls. Hope you've been enjoying it so far. I have been. Aren't you hot?
I was cold sitting up there and then...
I reckon that's the way. Things I do to check out stuff, eh? Hey, go. Check it out. Alright, so we decided to go the safe way by climbing up the side of the cliff. Good idea or not, End, you know? Anyway, yeah, we're going to go over the top and then back down into the creek. Just seemed a bit safer to do it that way rather than crawling through caves without anybody here with us. We've lost our support team, they've headed home for the day. And we're going to try and walk out the other end, which we didn't get to do the other time, so wish us luck. Oh, this is worth it. Find out. We're going to try and get out there somehow, but we're going to enjoy this for a little bit longer. here. Maybe we need some more.
I wonder if anyone's ever hugged it before.
Ta-da! Well, we've made it. If anyone knows what this canyon's called, please drop a message down below and fill us in. There are ropes up the top, there are ropes down the bottom. You saw the stretcher earlier. We're going to try and find a way out this way. I think this is the way it's supposed to come in with the ropes. Now I've got to get down this stupid rock with no rope. Anne says to slide down on my ass.
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't too hard. Splinter's in a bump, she fell in the water. I missed it, all I had handy was the camera, so I tried to grab her with the camera before she went all the way down the slippery slide, but it's alright, she took me out as well. Alright, so we're on our way back now. We're going to be sticking to the actual cliffside, we're not going all the way down the river. We did find a track, but we decided to backtrack and then go down the river and come this way, but we're going to use the shorter way home. We're just going to check out these amphitheatres if we can. It's just up around this corner here. You can see the massive difference in the colour of the rock. The sun does a magnificent job on it. Gonna
Come check a look.
come take a look. You can see how much the water's still coming through the rock. Imagine how much of that it's taken to create the hole. I hope so, because I don't want to do it again right now. For a track that hasn't been used for so long, the actual walking paths are still in quite good condition once you can get to them. where we're heading. I'm just taking the easy track now. That's right. Just walking up the last bit now. Quite a successful canyon. Whew. So what's our plan for tonight? We've got a bean chili mix stew or something that Anne's going to make up tonight in the hot pot. So I'm going to have to start collecting some wood. I'm going to crack myself a cold one first before I get the chainsaw out. And just 8Ks I think the phone said we're done. 8K round trip. Oh, I really wish I had got that on film where Anne slipped down the slippery dip.
I'm not moving.
Took out my legs. Nearly lost the
My feet will slide, but
6D Mark II.
I don't think.
What a great day.